Hi everyone, welcome back to Melo's channel. Today we do have here the Naruto HY 1901 by Little Dino, and here's the card pack. And really I have been enjoying this card set, the HY 1901. And for our first pack, we do have a rare of Ginkaku and Shinkaku, Killer Bee, Onoki, Deidara. And for our second pack, hopefully we get something good for this. Like SP would be really, really good. Here we have a rare of Hanzo and Yahiko. Then we have Obito and SSR of Kisame. And for the next pack, and so the ones that I am removing from the box are the redeem card. But here we do have Shinkaku and Ginkaku. We have SSR of Jugo and the next pack. And this will be a not so long video, around 7 minutes video. Here we have a rare of Haku, Onoki, Hanzo, and we have an SSR, but I'm not really sure who he is. Comment down below if you know him. And here we do have the next pack. Here we have Chiyo, Obito, Gaara, and we have the SSR of Pain. And for the next pack, but first let's see this card again. This SSR is actually good looking, like it's a very cool card even though it's just an SSR. Like look all the things that he is wearing. And this time it's actually the next pack. We do have Boruto, Shinkaku and Ginkaku. We have Haku, and we have the SSR of Hidan. And to the next one, we have a rare of Fugoki, Onoki, Pain, and we do have the CP of Sakura and Sasuke. Oh, that's a really pretty CP card. Like, this is one of my fave CP I have pulled so far. Hopefully, we get more CP on this box. Like, I know some people does pull 2 or 3 CPs, but sometimes if you are really unlucky, you do only get one. But hopefully, we do get more. And here's to our next pack. We have a rare of Ringo, Obito, Onoki, and we have another CP. And it's Naruto and Hinata. We got the two couples of CP for this HY 1901. I'm very, very glad. And I'm very happy to see these CP cards. And then I can't wait to put them on top loaders already. And here, although one of my wish is really to get a top loader binder, but right now I have only a regular card binder. Here we have a rare of Kisame, Shino, and we have Zaku and SR of Korenai. And for the next pack, we have Itachi, Onoki, Kinimaru, and SR of Asuma. And for the next pack, we have Shino, Obito, Naruto, Rock Lee, and really Rock Lee had become one of my favorites from the Naruto series. And here for the next pack, one we have the rare card of Killer Bee, Kisame, Sasori, and we have the SR card. And for the next pack, we have Yahiko, Kinimaru, Chojiro, and we have the SR of Minato. We have 3 packs left, and here for the next pack, do we get more hits or did we just get all the hits already? Like, let's see if we could get more hits with these 3 packs. And here we have Pain, Naruto, Ao, Sasuke. Looks like we only got an SR. And for the last 2 packs, hopefully we still do get something. We did get early on hits like the CP cards. We have the rare of Onoki, Sasori, Obito, and we have the SR of Sakura. And for the last pack, can we get a last pack magic? We have Obito, Chojiro, Obito, and Koshimaru. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you again and follow for more.